Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be giving you a tour of my apartment in Miami that I recently moved into. So if this is something you want to see, just stick around. It's been a week since I have been living at my friend's house, and now I can move into my apartment. So I'm just gathering all my belongings, bringing them to my car, and driving my ass from Miami Beach to Miami to move into my apartment. I honestly didn't vlog. I didn't really do any TikToks. I really didn't do anything for a week, but work on launching my brand Strama Creative, which is basically like a advertising slash marketing slash content creation firm. So if you're a brand and you need product videos or photos or help with marketing and advertising, I'm your girl. So make sure to check out my new business. So far these are the only bags I have because everything else is in my trunk. I literally packed my trunk to the brim. So I was unable to get into my apartment for about 3 hours because the cleaners forgot to leave the door unlocked and the keys were actually in the apartment. We can't get in, the door's locked. I'm with security. I was supposed to be able to check in at 4 p.m. The door's clearly locked. No one's answering. Can't do anything. So I finally moved into my new apartment in Miami. I'm so excited. I was literally locked out and I had to wait for the cleaners to like deliver my keys, which was super annoying, but like it was definitely worth the wait. So now I'm gonna like settle in tonight, so I'm not doing anything crazy. And I'm obviously gonna show you guys my apartment. It's a 2-bedroom. It's in Brickell. I ended up paying $5,700 for this. My mom's gonna come visit. My best friend's gonna come visit. So like it's perfect, but I need to go and unpack, take care of all of this, okay? So we're gonna show you the kitchen first because this is why I got the apartment. I fell in love with the kitchen and the white counters. I also love that the dining section and the living room are all right there and that this is a 2-bedroom apartment. So when I was initially looking for apartments, I was looking for 1-bedrooms, but the 1-bedrooms were the same price as this 2-bedroom. So I was like, a no-brainer. I have to have this apartment. It came with a little closet, which is great because it was filled with stuff that I ended up needing anyways, so I didn't have to go out and buy it. So this was the guest bedroom. This is where my mom and my friend are gonna stay, and my dad. This is the guest bathroom. Everything was really clean, and I think I'm actually going to stay here for a few months. I did not want to commit to a long-term lease, so I did a short-term furnished lease because I don't know where I'm gonna want to be. I think I definitely want to do a Jersey / New York City summer, so I'm probably going to look to rent something in Miami after the summer, or maybe even buy if God gives. That is like my ultimate goal, is just to own my own property down in South Florida. I have been coming to South Florida for years now because of work, but I have never really committed to a longer term lease or buying anything. Like that's obviously the goal and the next step. The apartment is in a really nice Miami neighborhood. It's in Brickell, so that is like the area where you want to be. It does get a little noisy at night, but you can't really hear anything in the apartment. I love that there's a Whole Foods really close. I live actually right under a Publix. My gym is right across the street. The parking is in the building as well, and I get a balcony. So this apartment is just a win-win. So the apartment building comes with multiple amenities. It comes with this beautiful lounge that has different areas where you can entertain. You can also rent this area out for parties. It has a gym and it also has a study room and a kid play area, which is awesome. But I couldn't really film those areas because they were actually all occupied by somebody. So I didn't want to be like disrespectful to the residents of the building. The building also has a really nice pool and it's never packed, which is really hard to believe, but it's literally never packed. There is always a seat that you can grab on the weekend or during the weekday. So sometimes I work from the pool. So overall, I'm very happy with my apartment and I am very happy that I'm staying here. Okay, so the situation is looking like this so far. I definitely brought way too many heels. I'm not planning on going out, but oh dear Lord. At least my bed is made. What do you guys think? Like, I think I have way too many pillows. Okay, my goal is to just stop looking like a potato on camera. Like, what is this hair? I look so sunburned. I can't. I don't even know. Like, my goal is literally to stop looking like a clown on camera, meaning like I want to get like my makeup done, like my hair done. I just feel like I look like a bum 99.9% of the time. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, why can't I find a boyfriend? Would you date this? Like, hello? What is this? Help! Okay, guys, so I ended up getting dinner. I got pollo taco. I got a burrito bowl, which is to die for. I'm gonna show you in a second. I got guacamole. This is probably like the worst meal you can eat before going to see your agency, but it's fine. And then I got some chips, a Coke. Listen, it's been a rough week. Today's like my cheat meal, cheat day. Probably should have been like tomorrow. Actually, maybe tomorrow I'll do another cheat day. And then I'll go on a diet on like Wednesday because today's Monday. So Tuesday, yeah, that seems good. I'm gonna like get my life together. After I eat this, I'm gonna go food shopping. I'm gonna watch Bet It All on Blonde. If you guys haven't seen it, it's so good. If you watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and are a big fan of Erica Jane, oh my God, it's like her Las Vegas residency. It's so good. But anyways, let me show you my food. So this is what my dinner looks like right now. I literally just moved into my apartment, okay? Do not judge. So that is what I'm gonna watch just because I'm obsessed with anything Real Housewives of whatever city. All right, let's go eat that dinner. Pollo taco, I have missed you. So good. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to say hi to my agency right now, so let's go. I always get like super nervous before going to see them. This is as good as it gets. By the way, this is my outfit. You guys, I was so nervous this morning, so I forgot to vlog everything. Sorry. I was going to film a whole get ready with me to go see my agency, but I get so nervous whenever I walk in here. I'm not sure why. I think every model can pretty much relate to this weird feeling in your stomach you get. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you subscribe and turn your post notification bell button on so you never miss another vlog from me. I will see you next time.